Alright, so if you want to see how I installed this front porch Leviton switch and set up the schedule is pretty easy. I created an account and everything else, and then I went in here and the front porch switch is off. I go in here to schedules and I have front porch sunset to 1, front porch sunrise to 8 a.m. every day, weekdays. I need to go change that. So let's see if I can change that. It says it repeats is every day, and then just save it. So that's super simple. So I've heard that these don't last very long. I will certainly give a follow-up in 6 months or a year if it goes bad. Alright, well this is a switch I'm going to replace because over the years these things are extremely frustrating. They're hard to program, they're really hard to see, especially when your eyes are getting old. And if the power goes out, the schedule gets reset, and so then they're on all day long instead of at night, dawn and dusk like I want. Alright, pretty easy. White to white, black to black, red to the light, green to green in the back, and then my three-way switch just put it out of the way.